Operating instruction of screw oil press machine. Step 1. Connect the power cables in order A, B, C, N. A, B, C is the left wire and N is the zero wire. After connecting, turn on the switch and the power indicator lights up. Step 2. Before starting the machine, you must make a comprehensive inspection. Ensure no loose fasteners and flexible rotation of the handle. Rotate pulley and test if all moving parts are in good condition and without abnormal noise. Then replenish number 20 machine oil to the gearbox. Step 3. The method of adjusting the screw. Loosen the lock nut. Rotate adjustment screw in counterclockwise direction. Press the surface of screw press against the conical surface of the cake mouth. Then rotate adjusting screw 2 to 3 mm in clockwise direction. Finally, spin the lock nut. Prepare starting the machine. Step 4. Adjust the temperature control instrument to the required temperature of 100 to 200 degrees for pressing, depending on the oil, and twist the main heating switch to heat the machine. At this time, the green light on the temperature control instrument is on. The red light is off. When the temperature of the machine rises to the set temperature, the red light is on and the green light is off. The temperature of the machine is automatically controlled and maintained at the set temperature. Step 5. Press the main engine forward button. The main engine starts to run. The direction of rotation of the screw shaft should be counterclockwise. Step 6. After the new oil press is installed, grind for 2 to 8 hours. The method is to slowly feed and release the pressed cake material from the hopper and repeatedly press back to make the pressing screw smooth. The cake is released and the molding is smooth. Remember, when start to grind, do not pour the material directly into the hopper, but feed it by hand so as to prevent squeezing screw from being stuck. If it is clogged, start the mill after reassembly. It is strictly forbidden to forcibly drive or turn over the material. Step 7. During normal oil extraction, it is necessary to keep the feeding stable and do not overdo it or idling when the material is cut off. At this time, the machine has a normal load, runs smoothly, and the sound is rhythmic. The thickness of the cake is normally controlled at 0.5 to 2 mm. The cake is smooth, and the low pressure section basically has no residue. There is a small amount of oil residue in the high pressure section, but the proportion of residue in the oil is not more than 10%, and the temperature in the press chamber can reach 105 to 200 degrees. The cake should be spread out in time. To avoid spontaneous combustion. When the continuous working time is long and the temperature of the machine is too high, cooling measures such as fan blowing should be taken. The heater can stop working when it is working continuously. Step 8. When the oil is pressed out on top of the barrel, first check the vacuum pump motor rotation is correct or not. Press the vacuum pump button. The vacuum pump starts running. The air in the oil filter barrel is drawn out. This forms negative pressure in the barrel, and above oil naturally flows into the filtration barrel. The oil slag is isolated in the cloth until the press is completed. After the oil is pumped, stop the vacuum pump. Open the emptying valve on the filtration barrel. The dry slag formed on the filter cloth needs to be scraped. Attention! Do not scrape during the barrel is forming negative pressure. At last, pure oil will flow out from the bottom valve of the barrel.